Oh, stalled. Stalled it and then dumped it. Cool breeze. How you doing, man? He's trying to hold back a laugh, I think. All right, so this is a group ride. Everyone might be a little nervous. You know, some people, especially new riders, are having to deal with this kind of stuff. The thing is, when you stall or brake, let's move it on to something a little bit easier. You know, this is obvious he stalled and had the handlebars and then fell over because of the weight of the motorcycle. But also think about that. What does the stall do? It causes you to jerk, right? Causes that weight to get on that front tire, and he had his handlebars turned, so it fell down. So when you're braking and you're coming to a stop, you don't want your handlebars turned either, because if you stop, you could fall down too. I have a braking video on the Motorcycle Training Concepts channel. You might want to check it out. I actually talk about that and I show you what I mean by that. But that's what's happening here. So we're wanting to turn left, and maybe he saw a vehicle starting to come and assuming he could just go with the other riders, but then it's like, it's not safe for me to do so. So immediately slam that front brake. But then since we're not moving, didn't pull in the clutch either, stalled, fell down. We're figuring things out. We're trying to see what's happening here, but maybe that's what happened. So if that's the case, remember, always, when you come to a stop, squeeze that clutch, squeeze that brake pressure, but also have those handlebars straight, okay? Straight. And I'm holding it like this so you guys can see, not like this. Don't have it turned like you're turning and then squeeze everything, because you'll fall towards wherever you're turning it. That right there is what you want to watch out for. And I think that's what's happening here. So that's when it starts to fall over, and good luck. You don't want to slip an ankle or you don't want to slip a disc in your knee. You don't want to snap your ankle off. And this is also a great reason to have motorcycle specific boots, because motorcycle specific boots are designed to have good grip on the bottom, and it's not so you can have the best grip on your foot pegs. Get good foot pegs too, by the way. I like having those little bear claw ones, like when you had a BMX. The reason why one of the reasons why they have good grip is because we put our feet on the asphalt at stoplights. Car drivers don't have to do that. Car drivers can drive without shoes. It's not very good for us to drive without shoes on a motorcycle, so we're gonna put our feet down, and we need good grip. Imagine having Vans, some Nikes, some slippers, some flippity flops, some whatever you guys call them. Imagine having that and it slides out from underneath you. This is why you need to have good protective gear. So have motorcycle specific gear. We do have a link in the description. REVZILLA is a sponsor of this channel. It's an affiliate link. If you guys are going to get gear, at least click that link first, and it helps out the channel. Yeah, having frame sliders, engine guards will help protect against damage. Terrell Redfoot became a crew member, got promoted. Woo! Welcome. I think he stalled and then fell. Yeah. Thank you for reaching the end of the video. I want to say thank you to REVZILLA for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on REVZILLA and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.